Want to make command prompt easier to read and more comfortable to use? CMD lets you customize things like the font, colors, window size, layout, and some interaction settings. In this guide, I'll show you where these options are and how to customize them without changing any Windows system files. First, open Command Prompt. Right-click the title bar at the top of the window and select Properties. This is the main control panel for customizing the current command prompt window. You'll see several tabs containing different settings. Open the Font tab to change how text looks. You can choose a different font and adjust the text size. A larger font can make CMD easier to read on high-resolution displays. Pick a size that's comfortable, then check the preview before applying the change. Next, open the Colors tab. Here you can customize the screen background, screen text, pop-up background, and pop-up text. For example, you can use a dark background with bright text for better contrast. Choose colors that keep the command output easy to read. The Layout tab controls the size and position of the command prompt window. You can change the screen buffer size, window width, window height, and starting position. If you want more command history available to scroll through, increasing the screen buffer height can be useful. Some versions of Windows also include options for Quick Edit mode, Insert mode, and other interaction behaviors. These settings control how you select, copy, paste, and interact with text inside CMD. If you frequently copy commands, make sure your selection and paste behavior feels comfortable. If you want your changes to apply to future command prompt windows, use the Defaults option from the title bar menu instead of only changing properties for the current window. Make your adjustments, click OK, then close and reopen CMD to test them. Yeah, this makes your preferred setup easier to keep, and that's how to customize command prompt settings. Use font for readability, colors for appearance, layout for window dimensions, and options for interaction behavior. If you want the same setup every time, save your preferences through defaults. So customize CMD to your liking, then test it with a few everyday commands.